How to join or merge multiple audio files into one on mobile phone. So if you want to join or merge multiple audio files into one on mobile phone, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for AudioLab. After searching, you need to install this application. After installing this AudioLab, you need to open up your AudioLab application. Now you need to go with mix audio, which is on the top right. Go with allow, and you can select your audio. So simply go and select two audios that you would like to mix. Go with plus, which is on the upper left, and then select another audio. After selecting two audios, it will convert those two audios, or it will merge those two audios, and then you can go with OK. And now you can also add third audio to your mix, but I'll just simply go with the two audios. And after adding those two, you can also go with need help, and then you'll be able to trim the audio. And after that, once you've done, you can go with edit and move to the left slide to start and right to end, and then your current running time. It will give you some guide on how you can use this application. After editing or after doing all of these, you just need simply go with export, and you'll be able to merge those files. So that's how you can join or merge multiple files into one on mobile phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.